Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, We Healthy Good. As the festive season is around the corner, we all want to lose a few kilos quickly, so we can wear our beautiful dresses, enjoy the festive season to the fullest, and take lots of beautiful pictures with confidence in our bodies. Recently, many of our subscribers asked me for a diet plan that can help them quickly lose weight in just a week, so they can enjoy their festivities without feeling bloated or puffy. Today, I have a 7-day smoothie detox diet plan challenge that can help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days. Let's get started with the 7 days of the smoothie detox diet plan challenge, which can help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days. This plan is super effective for weight loss, and it also removes water retention, bloating, or puffiness in the body. With this diet plan, you will also see a lot of inch loss. So without any further ado, let's get started. Day 1. We'll start with an early morning drink, either amla juice or aloe vera juice. You can choose any of the two juices depending on availability. Aloe vera juice is prepared by adding 2 teaspoons of aloe vera in warm water and sipping it empty stomach early in the morning. Amla juice is also very easily available in the season these days. You can use 2 teaspoons of amla juice, mix it in 1 glass of lukewarm water, and have it empty stomach. Both of these juices help in increasing your hair growth, provide great skin benefits, and remove all the water tension very quickly because they are a good source of vitamin C at the same time. They are also great for your liver health. Make sure to consume these 2 juices on alternate days. If you cannot have these 2 juices for any reason, you can have 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well, and have it empty stomach. For morning breakfast, we'll have an apple peanut butter smoothie bowl. The recipe for this is already up on my channel. We'll use a cup of gluten-free oats, half a banana, 1 whole apple, and some almond milk. You can also use skim milk or replace it with water as well. Milk is not a compulsion here. This breakfast smoothie is without any sugar, so make sure you're not adding any sweetener to this. The bananas and apples themselves are sweet enough to make this recipe delicious. It is an excellent source of protein because of peanut butter in it, great for fiber content because of apple and banana, and it keeps you fuller for a longer time of the day. So make sure to have this smoothie for your breakfast. For a mid-morning snack, you can have 1 cucumber and a cup of freshly brewed green tea. Cucumber is great for hydration benefits, and green tea is an excellent source of antioxidants. For lunch, you have 2 options. The first option is to have 2 to 3 boiled eggs along with some stir-fried veggies. Make sure to add very little salt to the stir-fried veggies or avoid salt altogether. Instead, add lemon juice, black pepper powder, roasted cumin powder, oregano seasoning, and chili flakes, and enjoy it with 2 to 3 boiled eggs. With our mid-afternoon snack, which can be a handful of roasted almonds and a cup of green tea or chamomile tea for relaxation benefits. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats and proteins which keep you satiated for a longer time, and green tea has numerous health benefits and is known to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Moving on to dinner, we have 2 options. The first option is grilled chicken breast with stir-fried veggies. Marinate the chicken breast with lemon juice, black pepper powder, and oregano seasoning, and grill it. For the stir-fried veggies, use less salt and add lemon juice, black pepper powder, roasted cumin powder, and chili flakes for seasoning. This meal is high in protein and low in carbohydrates, making it an excellent option for weight loss. The second option is a grilled fish fillet with roasted sweet potato and broccoli. Marinate the fish fillet with lemon juice, garlic, and black pepper powder, and examine it. Roast the sweet potato and broccoli with olive oil, black pepper powder, and sea salt. This meal is also high in protein and healthy fats while also providing essential vitamins and minerals. Finally, before going to bed, have a cup of chamomile tea or warm milk with turmeric and cinnamon. Chamomile tea has relaxation benefits, while turmeric and cinnamon are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to this diet plan, stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water. You can add lemon or cucumber slices to your water for flavor and added benefits. Also, make sure to get enough sleep and exercise regularly for the best results. So, there you have it, guys. a 7-day smoothie detox diet plan that can help you lose up to 7 kgs in just 7 days. Remember, this plan is not a long-term solution and should be followed for only a week. For personalized weight loss plans, you can check the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips.